Hey there everyone, this is Leo from TechlinePCs.com, and what we have here is a little tutorial video on packing up a PC for shipment. Now I've been selling PCs that I've built here for a little over a year now, and knock on wood, I've yet to deal with any catastrophic shipping accidents thanks to making sure that the PCs were given proper packing for shipment. Now what we have over here is a PC ready to be shipped to a customer who ordered it through our website at TechlinePCs.com, which you can check out for other PCs like this one and commission to build yourself. Now it is a smaller PC, micro ATX in size, so it doesn't need to have as much to pack it fully like a full ATX build, but the concept is more or less the same. For the PC itself, we'll need to ensure that the internal components are very protected. This is mostly for the GPU more than anything else, but if you also have like a tower cooler or an all-in-one liquid cooler inside of your PC, you'll also need to get some packing material on the inside to ensure that these components are protected and don't get torn off of the case or the CPU socket or the motherboard itself during shipment. Let's first start off by disconnecting the PC, as I've already fully tested it to make sure that it's working prior to this video. Next, we'll just need to get it laid down onto some nice hard flat surface so that way we can have a place that we can start packing all the internal components into. And then we'll go ahead and remove the side panel from the PC, and we can see that there's a lot of space on the inside that we'll have to fill in with packing material to protect the internal components. Like I said before, like the video card, which is the heaviest part that's on the inside. For a smaller micro ATX build like this, using packing foam or bubble wrap is pretty much good enough to hold the graphic card up, so we could shove a bit of it under the GPU to make sure that it's having some good elevation here. If you're using a larger build, like a full-size ATX build where there's a lot more space that's going on under here, I would actually recommend using an Instapak like what we're going to see in the next step. The Instapak is a self-inflating packing foam that'll fill itself up to the proper size it will need. You can actually order these in bulk from various supply stores, so I kind of keep a bunch on hand. So let's go ahead and pop this one open up and kind of just see that there's very clear instructions that are written out to let you know just how to use it, and it does give you a step-by-step instruction here as to how to properly inflate it. And one of the most important pieces of instruction that's on here is telling you that it does inflate rather quickly. So the moment that it starts to do the inflation process, we have to move quickly to get this inside of the case so that way it will fill into the proper size. Now to show you how quickly, we're going to show you this whole process in real time. We're going to have everything laid out right next to each other, and I'm going to need the side panel to close onto the Instapak so it doesn't inflate outside the case. So if we go back over towards the PC, and we see that there is the A and B side, we'll pop the A side, and from here, we have to press back and forth over towards the A and B that we see that's on here. After about 20 or so presses, sometimes up to 25, we'll hear a second pop. And there we go. With the second pop, we now know that it's inflating. We kind of shove it over inside the case, and as you can see, it's quickly expanding from there. And we'll put the panel right on so that way it doesn't go outside of the case. This way, it's properly filled up everything on the inside. Even with the Instapak doing its job in here, I do like to make sure that I add just a little bit of extra padding on the inside for anything that the Instapak itself might have missed. So I'll kind of feel around to see if there's any extra space over here. Like we can see in this side, we've got a little bit more on top of the graphic card itself. So I'll grab some extra bubble wrap or foam and just throw it onto this side as well, and then seal the door on top of it and finally close out the case. This way the inside of the PC is finally fully intact. And from there, we'll just go ahead and put the side panel on, screw it down, and get ready to put this inside the box. For boxing up the PC itself, I'll generally use the box that the case itself came in, as it's already the exact size that the PC is going to be. You can add an extra layer of protection by buying a whole box that packs this box into, which I would recommend for larger builds with more sensitive components. First, we'll start off by wrapping the PC in the plastic wrap that the case came in for scratch resistance, and then settling it down into the styrofoam that was also shipped with the case. Next, we'll lay down some packing material inside the box so that way the PC will be able to sit on that, and then slide the entire tower onto this. Then some extra padding material right onto the glass side panel and the metallic side, and then at the top we'll throw in a bag of the extra bits like power cables along with any other paperwork that we might need, and some more bubble wrap. And from here, this PC is ready to ship. We'll get a shipping label slapped onto it and then dropped off at a proper shipping carrier from here. And that's going to be everything that we do to ship out these PCs. Once again, thanks all of you for watching this how-to video on how to pack up and ship a PC. Please like and subscribe for more content from us over at Techline, and check out our site again over at TechlinePCs.com for builds, commissions, and consultations. This is Leo signing out.